Okay, hi boys and girls. This is the Saxon lesson 9 for September 16th, Wednesday. All right, today's lesson is about the VCCV rule. V stands for vowel, CC, consonant, consonant, and then V, vowel. So we're going over the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel rule, okay? All right, let's see how well you can hear accents today. So yesterday we went over accents. That's that little line that you write the accent mark. So we have to identify where we're going to put the accent. So let's see how well you hear. We usually hear the accents. That's how we know where to put them. So when a syllable is accented, when a syllable is accented, how does it sound how does it sound different than other syllables? It is louder, longer, and higher. I'll say a word, you listen carefully. If you hear the accent on the first syllable, I want you to hold up one finger. If you hear the accent on the second syllable, I want you to hold up two fingers. So syllables are sounds in a word. If you hear it on the first sound, one. If you hear it on the second sound, two. Okay? So let's see those words. Sandwich. Sandwich. One. Very good. The accent goes on sand, not which. Okay, let's try this one. Popcorn. Which one is louder and longer and stronger? Pop. Popcorn. So it's one. You put it on the first one. Invent. Invent. Which one's longer and louder? Vent. So you put it on the second one. Vent. Rainbow. Rainbow. Which one's louder? Rain. It's one. Respond. Respond. Two. Suggest. 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 Two. Very good. All right, so let's go over our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards real quickly. So I show you the letters, and again, you have to say them out loud. This is practice for you. You'll have to say them out loud, okay? All right, here we go. I'm just going to show you them. These are vowels. Here are consonants. Say them out loud. Okay, now we're going to do our picture cards. Okay, here we go. Apple, A. Acorn, A. You have to repeat after me, okay? Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicles, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Very good. All right. Now let's go over our sight word cards. Here we go. You ready? You read them out loud. I just show you. Two. Very good. There are our sight word cards. All right. Okay, so we're done with those. Now let's go ahead and take out our spelling and high frequency word practice 9. It says 9 at the top, looks like that. All right. We are going to practice writing our sounds on number 1 through 29. So I'm going to go ahead and read the sounds and you will write them down on your papers. All right. So let's start with number 1. We're going to write apple. That's an A. Make sure you're coding it with a brief, okay? 2, elephant. Make sure you're coding it with a brief. 3, inch. I want you just to try to write it down by yourself, and then I'll show you my paper, okay? 4, octopus. 5, umbrella. 6, acorn. 7, equal. 8, icicle. 9, overalls. 10, unicorn. Okay, your paper should look like this so far. If you don't have this written down, you can pause the video and copy it down now. Okay, now we're moving on. 11, balloon. 12, dog. 13, fish. 14, goat. 15, hat. 16, jar. 17, kite. Cat. That's K, comma, C with a back on it. Okay? So that looks like this for number 17. Okay? And here's 11 through 17 if you didn't get those. All right, 18, lion. 19, monkey. 20, nest. 21, pig. 22, rabbit. 23, sun. 24, tent. 25, vest. 26, wagon. 27, yarn. 28, zebra. And 29 is X. Your paper should look like this. If it does not, you can pause the video now and copy these down. Very good. All right. Awesome. So now let's keep going. We are going to spell some words. So I want you to turn your paper over and we are going to go and touch number 1 where it says review words. Okay. So number 1, I want you to write the word clip. Clip. K-L-I-P. How do we spell it? C-L-I-P. That's what you need to have written down for number 1. Number 2, you're going to write the word felt. F-E-L-T. Felt. Her jacket felt soft. Felt. Number 3, I want you to write the word lost. He lost his pencil. L-O-S-T. Lost. How do we spell lost? L-O-S-T. Very good. Your paper needs to look like this. All right, let's go over some sight word cards. Now, next to number 4, I want you to write the word today. Today is a lovely day. How do we spell today? T-O-D-A-Y. Very good. Number 5, I want you to spell the word tomorrow. Tomorrow will be awesome. Let's write tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. That was a big word. Tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Number 6, we're going to write together. Let's write this down. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. That's how that should look. All right. All right, now we're going to keep the new words blank for now, and let's move on in our lesson. So lesson 9 is a big lesson. We're going to split it into 2 parts. We're going to do 1 part today and 1 part tomorrow. So let's go ahead and talk about the VCV pattern. VCCV pattern. How many vowels does this word have? Traffic. How many sounds does that have? Let's cap it out. Traffic. It has 2 sounds. What are they? A and I, right? Traffic. Who remembers what a syllable is? A syllable is a sound in a word. Very good. A syllable is a word part containing a vowel sound. So when we have a word with more than 1 vowel sound, it tells us that the word contains more than 1 syllable. We must divide the vowels into syllables before we can code the word. To do this, let's write a small V under each vowel. So our word was traffic, right? I'm going to write that down. Traffic. Okay, so we're going to write V's under the vowels in the word traffic. The vowel is A and I. Is that right? This is the beginning of a vowel pattern. A vowel pattern is a pattern of letters in a word that begin and end with a vowel. There are no vowels between the vowels that begin and end with a pattern. Let's look at the rest of the pattern here. Next, we look between between the vowels and see how many consonants there are. Let's write a small C under each of the letters that are consonants, so that are between the 2 vowels. We have F and F. Those are both consonants, right? So we're going to write a C and a C under them for consonant. Now we have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, or we can call this a VCC pattern. When we have a VCC pattern, the best place to divide the word is between the 2 consonants. Between the 2 C's is where you're going to split it. So it's going to look like that. Boom. Always split between the 2 consonants, okay? This is called a division line. This line that I drew between the 2 consonants, FF, that's a division line. This line, it shows us where the syllables are in the word. This word has 2 syllables, traffic. When a word has more than 1 syllable, we put an accent mark on one of the syllables to show which syllable is accented. Remember, an accent is the part of a word that is longer, stronger, louder, and higher. So, the best place to try the accent on an unknown word is on the first syllable. So let's put the accent mark on the first syllable in this word. Traffic. So here's my accent mark. I'm going to put it on the first part of the word. One important thing to remember when coding words is that we always code vowels with syllables. Let's look at the letter A. Is it followed by a consonant in the syllable? Yes, it's followed by the letter F, and F is a consonant. How do we code a vowel that is followed by a consonant? Breathe, because it is a short vowel sound. Traffic. We didn't say traffic, we said traffic. So we code it with a breathe. Very good. Does this word need any other coding? Yes, it does. It needs a K back on the C. Traffic. That C makes the K sound, so you need to put it back on the C, just like that, right? Do we need any other coding? Yes. Good. Let's look at it. Traffic. What about this vowel? Doesn't this vowel needs to be coded, the I? Is it traffic or traffic? Traffic. That I is a short sound, so you have to code it with a brief. Okay? All right, I have a syllable division wall card to help you divide words that are followed with the VCC pattern. It looks like this. So you need to make sure you have your notebook that says the Saxon rules, and then you're going to copy this down. This is our new rule card, okay? These letters stand for vowel for the vowel pattern, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay. I'm going to show you this, and I need you to copy it down. With the VCC pattern, the best place to accent the word is on the first syllable. But sometimes, occasionally, you will also find words where the accent is on the second syllable. So go ahead and write these words down. It says how to divide and label a word. So the VCCV, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and the division line goes between the two consonants, okay? And then here's an example. Napkin, nap, N-A-P-K-I-N. Where's the two vowels? The two vowels are A and I. And then what goes in between? C-C, because those are two consonants. So it should look like this. V-C-C-V. And then, so this is like step by step. So that's the second step. So the third step is, okay, where do I put the line? The division line goes between the two C's, just like that. Okay, what's the next step? All right, where do we put the accent? Nap or kin? Nap, kin. You put it on the second part of the word because it's stronger. So it should look like that, okay? And then here, now we just need to go ahead and code our vowels with a breve or a macron. With a breve, because they are short vowel sounds. So the A is short and the I is short. They both need breves. So it should look like this. Go ahead and write this down on a piece of paper, in your notebook, please, okay? If you need more time writing it down, pause the video now. Very good. Okay, so let's talk about different vowel sounds. So let's talk about this word. We have the word until. With the VCC pattern, the best place to put, okay, I'm sorry, no, that's something else. All right, so let's go ahead and code this word. We have the word until, okay? So we have the vowel is this U, right? So V and then C, C, V, because N and T are consonants and the I is a vowel, right? Where do we put the division line? Between the two C's. Very good. Between the N and the T. U, until. Are we done? What's longer and stronger? Un or till? Till is stronger, so the accent mark goes on the second part of the syllable. The second part of the word. All right, are we done? Nope, we have two vowels that need to be coded. Until. The U and the I both need breves because they are both short vowel sounds, right? One way to practice dividing VCC words is to divide nonsense words or even made up words, okay? All right, so now let's go back to that away. Put that away. Sorry, my area can get really messy really fast. All right, so now let's go back to this paper. We're going to write down new words on number 7, 8, and 9, okay? So on number 7, I want you to write that these are going to be two-syllable words, okay? That means they have two sounds in them. That's why they're longer. Number 7, I want you to write the word basket. B-as-k-it. Basket. B, let's spell it together. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. Good job. Number 8, I want you to write the word contest. K-on-t-est. Contest. All right, let's spell it together. C-O-N-T-E-S-T. Contest. Number 8, I want us to write the word admit. Admit. Please admit that you ate the last piece of pie. Admit. Okay, let's write the word. A-D-M-I-T. Very good. Your paper should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, you can pause the video and make sure it does look like this by writing it down. All right, then you're going to do what we do every day. You're going to read these words, and then you're going to spell it next to each word, okay? Like we do all the time. All right, we are not going to start worksheet 9 until tomorrow because I'm splitting this lesson into 2 because it's a little longer, okay? All right, guys, have fun learning. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know.